We're getting a hailstorm here today. It's May 2nd. I'm glad my car's inside the garage. Starting to hear sirens going off on the background. Good old Minnesota weather. I played golf earlier today. Good thing we're not out playing golf right now. I don't know if you can hear the sirens going off. Thank goodness for garages. Whoa, now it's coming in the house. I'm gonna shut off now in my hailstorm video. Hope everyone likes my channel, and please tell other people to please follow the Mills Way channel. Subscribe and have a chance to win monthly prizes. This month in May, I'm giving away a book to the first 50 new subscribers. Thanks, and have